Now that you've got your Google Webmaster set up, we're going to create a sitemap right away. The easiest way to do that is search Google for XML sitemap. You will probably get this XML-sitemap as the first result. It's a very common free sitemap generator. We're going to click on it. If your website is 500 pages or less, which is when you first open your site, it's 500 pages or less. It's free. If you want a pro sitemap, like a lot of pages, you see like thousands and thousands, over 1 million pages, there is a paid version. It's very, very affordable. You can see it's only like $3.49 a month. So it's very cheap. But since most of us will be using the free version, let's just get back to the free version. What happens is you're going to enter your URL here and you're going to say start. It's going to begin working, something like this. It's going to be basically doing some work and it's going to go to your website. It's going to basically walk through all the links and create a little map for them. And then when it's done, it's going to give you an option to download it. And that's what you're going to do, because when you download it, you're going to be able to upload it immediately to Webmaster Tools. So when you are back at Webmaster Tools, on the left panel here, you click on the sitemaps area, sitemaps. It's going to take you to your sitemaps. So the sitemap that you download from the sitemap generator, put that anywhere on your site, usually at the root of your site. It's not something customers will see, but it's just going to appear in your folder structure. And then you're going to say something like this. It's going to be at problemio.com/root sitemap XML. You just upload that file that's generated for you. You upload it there, and then you say submit. As you can see, I've already submitted it, and you'll see that it's successful, and it's got 112 pages on my site. It's mostly content pages that I've written, like blog posts, and that's it. So there's a couple of points on this. Let's say you have 120 pages, and for some reason, the sitemap only found 112. That means that some pages that are not found are not what's called crawlable, meaning there's no link to that page from anywhere else. If you start on the home page, you can't navigate to the pages that are missing. So what you have to do is troubleshoot why some pages are not linked, and basically just find the pages that are not linked and link to them and rerun the sitemap creator so that the sitemap has exactly the number of pages that are on your site. If you're not sure what crawling is, I'll show you what that is. As an example, we'll use my website. So this is my site, and what Google does, or the sitemap generator does, it takes the links, all the links that are on this page, the home page, and it goes to the links, for example, the books, and it collects more links. You see there's more links, and then it goes to all of those links. Okay, so it goes to those links and it goes to those links. So it goes to all the links on this site that are interlinked, and that's how it finds all the pages. If some pages are not found, that means they are not linked on your page. So what you must do is go and link to the pages, make sure that it's linked. You basically add a hyperlink to the pages that you want found, and then you go and recreate your sitemap, re-upload your sitemap in Google Webmasters, and then Google will know, okay, now you have to crawl that page. And that's how you make sure that all your pages are crawlable and they have a chance of being indexed. Being indexed just means that Google is aware of your page. It doesn't mean that the page is showing up in the search results yet. That's the next step. But first, Google has to crawl your site, then it has to index the site, then it has to index every page on the site, and then it's going to decide where all those pages are going to rank in search results.